Morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study about the noun case. There are three cases of noun. First one, nominative case. Second one, objective case. And third one, possessive case. Which are they? First one is nominative case. Second one is objective case. And third one is possessive case. First we will see that what is meant by a nominative case. Nominative case means a noun or a pronoun that work as a subject of a verb in a sentence known as nominative case. Let me say once more, a noun or a pronoun that work as a subject of a verb in a sentence is known as nominative case. For example, I am a dancer. We know that which is the subject here. I is the subject in that sentence. So here I is the nominative case. If we check another sentence, he is a cricket player. In this sentence, which is the subject, we know that he is the subject. Here he is the nominative case. Let me say once more, what is meant by a nominative case? A noun or a pronoun that work as a subject of a verb in a sentence known as nominative case. Our second topic is what is meant by objective case. What is objective case? A noun or a pronoun that work as a object of a verb in a sentence is known as objective case. There is only a slight change we can see. A noun or a pronoun that work as an object of a verb in a sentence is known as objective case. For example, he broke the window. He is the subject here, broke is the verb here, window is the object here. Automatically we know that subject verb object pattern is SVO pattern. So here window is the object, so window is the objective case. If you can see another one example, he goes to school. He is the subject, goes is the verb here, and school is the object. So surely we know that school is. We'll study about the third case. What is third case? Possessive case. What is meant by possessive case? A noun or a pronoun that denotes the possession or ownership in a sentence. A noun or a pronoun that denotes the possession or ownership in a sentence is known as possessive case. Possession or ownership. For example, this is Ram's book. Then we will have a question automatically, whose book it is. When you ask a question, whose book it is, the answer may come, this is Ram's book. So here, Ram's is the possessive case. Whose book it is? Ram's, the ownership of Ram's. Another question he can ask, that is Hari's car. He can ask question, whose car that it is? We will get the answer, it is that is Hari's car. So Hari is the possessive case. Then somehow when you make a formation of possessive case, we may know that in a singular case, when a possessive case is formed, how to add? By adding s to the noun. For example, how to add? This is Arun's book or this is Hari's car. Like that, you have to add s. Then we can, singular case, we can add a possessive case. When it is in a plural case, what will happen? We can add a comma to the noun, then it will come as a possessive. For example, like boys hostel, otherwise girls school. This is all about the possessive case. So today we have studied about noun case. There are three cases of noun cases are there. Nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. Which are they? First one is nominative case, second one is objective case, third one is possessive case. Thank you, my dear students. Tomorrow we see you with another topic.